everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video and it's going to be about a new Sephora Favorites kit. You all know I love these kits. I've reviewed like some different ones on my channel, like the little bags and the freshly squeezed set, but today I'm going to review the Sephora Favorites Skincare on the Fly set. So if you're interested in finding out what is in this bag isn't worth your coin, then please stay tuned. And also, if you're not subscribing, hit the button down below. That's going to help you stay up to date with my video and put those notifications on so you won't be last to know. I know I totally get FOMO when videos come out and I'm late to the party. But anyway, let's jump in. So when I saw this set, I immediately knew I wanted to have it. So they've done many skincare on the fly sets, but this is the newest one. I feel like it is Canadian specific because I noticed they actually don't have the US dollar value, but I could be lying. I can't imagine they do Canadian specific. For my Canadians, it is $36 and it does say $115 value. We will see if that's correct. Something I've noticed that Sephora is doing now is they are putting these Sephora Favorites kits into a little makeup bag. A few years ago, I probably would have been like, yes, but if you've ever subscribed to Ipsy, like, you have a lot of, like, I have a drawer of makeup bags. I've thought about, like, donating them. I am using more, like, I store my mask in my Ipsy bags, but I have so many, so I actually don't really like this change, but like I said, if you don't have a lot of makeup bags, then you may actually like this change. So you get in this I'm holding it backwards. So you get 6 products in this, and let's just jump right in. The first product, and this immediately drew me into this bag because this is the only Sol de Janeiro product I feel like I don't have that's part of the Boom Boom Cream collection. So you do get in this the Boom Boom Body Scrub. So I actually never tried this, like I said, and I'm really intrigued. I think if it smells the same as the Boom Boom Cream, it would be just a great like set to do, especially if you're going out, as you all know, and I've talked about in other videos, if I'm going out on a date, I put on the Boom Boom Cream. It never fails me. Well, actually, it always seems to fail me, but my dating life is another story. But yes, so you do get this. And when we actually did the breakdown, so you get 20 grams, and this is equivalent to, according to my math, $5. So this sample would be $5. So we already have $5 value. So $31 remaining for us to break even. And this definitely was something that made me want to get this. I just got totally distracted because I grabbed one of these to make sure they were the same size. I don't know why, but this one looks bigger to me. But this is 20 grams. I guess it's different consistency. And this is 25 milliliters, but yeah, they're about the same size. So if you've gotten like the sample, that's what it's gonna look like. The next product that is in here is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. I've never tried this. I did used to use a lot of pharmacy products. I've heard really great things about pharmacy products. Like, everybody who uses them loves them. This, you do get 8 milliliters, and when I did the math on this, this is about $8 value. So far we're at $13. I am intrigued to try this because it does look really nice, and I do prefer a gel moisturizer. You can use it day or night, but I probably would use this in the day. But I think this looks really nice, to be honest. The next product that was in this set is the Biosons Squalene Marine Algae Eye Cream. It says the eye cream visibly firms and instantly smooths. I've never tried this eye cream. It is on, like, this brand is on my list of brands to try. I still find it really weird I haven't tried any of their products, but I find they weren't always as mainstream. But when we look at the value of this little 3 ml sample is actually $14.20. So we are up to $27 value. which isn't too bad. And this must actually be a pretty expensive eye cream because 3 mils isn't very much, and you know, $14 value, that's pretty good. The next product, which is very exciting, and it's another brand I haven't tried, is Kate Somerville. And they actually did a great job packaging this because they put it in its separate thing. So this is the liquid Exfolicate. So it's a triple acid resurfacing treatment. You do get 30 mils. This size is actually on the Sephora website. And this retails for $29. So I think, what did I say? We were at, yeah, so we're at like $56 or something. Don't judge my poor math skills. But I'm really excited to try this. You use it at night, and after cleaning, you just put it all over your face, neck, and décolleté, and then follow your usual nightly routine. So very excited to try this. I find, you know, I've used physical exfoliants, but I don't know if they work as well. So I think an acid will be something really good to add on to my skincare routine. And I've heard such great things about Kate Somerville's skincare. I can't believe I haven't tried it yet. So I think this alone, like, this is $29 and I paid $36 for everything. That definitely demonstrates the value that is in this little set. The next thing, which also was a steal of a deal in this set, is from Colady, and it is the Instant Foaming Cleanser. So this is the Moisturizing Grape and Purifying Sage. I actually really like Colady products. They're super nice to me. As you probably may or may not know, I've talked about it in my videos, but I used to use their Premier Crew Serum, which was like the most bougie serum ever. It was like $250, but it worked. It was sent to me. I did not pay that type of money. That's more than my car payment. But yes, I'm really excited to try this. So you do get 50 mils. And when I looked at how much 50 mils cost, it was only $11.66. So this product actually is a little bit more affordable for Colady, I think, because you do get a pretty big sample for only $11. I'm excited to try this. I actually haven't tried a foaming cleanser in a not that I can remember. It's been a while if I have. Most of mine now are gel, so I'm really excited to try this one. Something that solidified me buying this, as soon as I saw them, I was like, yeah, I need this set. And it is the Isle of Paradise Color Correcting Self-Tanning Drops for the face and body. These are like all the rage right now. I actually wanted their body butter I talked about it in my VIB sale wish list, but that is sold out. I don't even know. Maybe it was in stock for like one day during the sale, but you just mix these in your moisturizer, and it is medium. I probably will use quite a few drops because I do have a darker complexion, but I'm really excited to try these. I hope they do work, and I hope that, you know, I don't use them all up with one little droplet, but yeah, I'm really excited to try these because they look really good. And also too, I wonder if they stink. That's what I'm really wondering, because I love my self-tanner I'm using right now, but it has that like stinky self-tanner smell and it drives me crazy. When we do look at the breakdown of this sample for 4 mils would be $5.06. And I think we are on the last product. This was another product that solidified me buying this little skincare set. The last thing that I did get, yeah, I was really happy. It does smell a little bit like pear, but not too bad. It actually just smells like the regular one. So I was really happy to get the full size. All in all, this is definitely a great set. I calculated $92.92 for value. They did come up with $115. I'm not sure where the discrepancy is coming from. Maybe they used like full size or something. I don't know. But still, overall, I did get $60 above what I paid, which is amazing. And what I really liked about this set are, these are products I currently don't have in my collection, and they're not products that are repeatedly in sets. I find sometimes in Sephora sets, they put like one or two products that are really good, and then the rest of the products, it's like, oh, I got in the last set, or oh, you always have this as a deluxe sample. A lot of these I've never tried before, so I think the set is unique with that. I didn't show the bag either, but the bag is cute. It is orange and pink, and it's kind of like tie-dyed, so I think it would be like really cute for the summer. You could, you know, use it for the beach. I always like to use a little makeup bag for my beach bag, and I even put like my debit card and things like that in it. All in all, I really like this set. I think it's really good, and I highly would recommend it. If you'd like to see me talk about these products that I've used, I can down the road once I do test them. So let me know, would you buy this set? What do you think it's missing? What would you be excited to try? If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And like I said earlier in the video, don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Turn on those notifications. I'd love for you to watch my future videos and stay up to date. So I thank you all so much for your love and support, and I hope you have a great day.